Do you notice the little plunger here when you open the door? It comes out here. Let me do it again so you see it. It just pulled in here. It's this square thing. I'm not sure if you can notice it in the video because it goes really fast. Let me do it one more time. You saw it, how it moved back in? So sometimes those plungers are stuck. You see it is out now. It didn't move back in, like in the rear door. And I read online some ways how I can fix that issue. So let me get in the car and see how I can fix that. As you see, the car is already on. And when I want to close the door, slowly, the door wouldn't close, it wouldn't lock. So some people say hit the lock button here. See if that works. That didn't work, nothing. Let me try it again. Some people say pull on the handle firmly and push the plunger in. So that also didn't work. So then the other option, which some people say, is let me turn off the car, get it here on the door handle, close the door and try to push it in. That also doesn't work. So let me see if I can push that in manually. So it would not move in. Let me try again with pushing it. The door is closing, but not the last inch or so. Now it moves in. I had to push it, give it a little bit of harder push. Now it is in again. Let me open the door and close it again. Now closed, open. Did you see it moving back in? Let me try that again. So the fix was a real firm push. It seemed like it was like locked on the outwards position and now it's back in. Did you see it moving back in? Let me get a little bit closer. Let's see if you can see it now. See, this is the fix. I hope this helps for anybody else. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.